In PC Crash 12, there are new controls for adjusting colors and saturation and such on point clouds. So you see I've got a point cloud here. I can take a look at it in the 3D view. And you can see sometimes the colors that show up in a point cloud from the vehicles and whatnot that happen to be in a given place when pictures are taken doesn't look great. So maybe you want to de-emphasize that. So if you pick your point cloud with your drawing tool and right click, see there are some new options here for color inversion, hue, saturation, and luminance, and brightness and contrast. There's also an adaptive brightness that you can use to selectively pick one kind of color and highlight that. But just to demonstrate it here, if I have that selected, I go to my saturation and turn that right down. See, I've made it almost black and white, 29% saturation. And now in my 3D view, there it is desaturated. It's just a quick and easy correction you can make in PC Crash 12.